Everybody needs some company.
Hey girlies, welcome to my channel. So this is the start of my channel. This is Christmas. I'm ready for Christmas, y'all. This is Thanksgiving week. My niece is here. I have my off day. Y'all know Mondays are my off day, and then I work tomorrow, and then y'all, I have the rest of the week off. The type of like job I have, which is very much flexibility, which I asked for me doing content, is I have Thursday and Friday off automatically. They pay for us automatically. I took Wednesday off because I had enough PTO. And so, yeah, I am doing videos while I'm doing that. Well, y'all, I'm being consistent. So right now, of course, I don't eat. So y'all, that intro, which is not the original intro, I just don't have no idea where that intro is at. But y'all, we gonna do what it do. So I am cleaning out my closet. I'm just organizing everything, y'all. I'm just making sure that everything is good. So y'all gonna be listening to music while I organize.
You just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making moves, being on bitches, I be really march. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free love folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like Kevin. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in the bitch up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds served, and all these members served too. Smiling in my nigga, knock out all your 32. C8 doors open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important.
Also, guys, get it. I also want to tell y'all that I'm putting clothes that I do not want in for the Salvation Army as well. And I'm having fun, y'all. I'm listening to manifestation things, and yeah.
tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Yeah, and it be relaxing, you ain't did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, point me to my hands. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? They should've knew I was coming, just a little young and I knew I'd give me.
I am just so beat. My closet took everything off of me, so I'm out of me. So I think I'm just going to do my my room and my bathroom tomorrow, and yeah, do my bathroom tomorrow. So Monday, when I'm off on Mondays, I could just like relax and do my content, like upload my content and like edit it, so it could be a productive day, like going to the gym. Yeah, going to the gym and yeah, just me going to the gym and stuff like that. So yeah, let me show y'all my closet. So this is how I did my closet, y'all. So this is extra like shirts. Then I have shirts up here, like the dressy shirts. Then I have my pants, like my skirts first, then pants and sweatpants. Then I started with my spaghetti strap dresses and stuff. Then my long dresses here. Then I underestimate how many jumpsuits I have and matching sets I have. I'm just a matching set type of girl, but this is starting my velour jumpsuit to like all the way here to right here is jumpsuits. Then my matching sets is all the way back here, and then I have sweaters and stuff. Honestly to God, and all my shoes and stuff is like right here. Honest to God, y'all, it's time for me to move out and give me a closet. And give me a closet that's big enough that eventually I'm gonna need more clothes to fill out that closet. But I have grown out of this closet, and so I'm manifesting my dream, big dream closet that everything is going to fit. Amen. Amen. So I'm done for today. Yeah, I'm done for today. So I'll be back tomorrow to clean out my kitchen. Clean out my room, and then my kitchen, and then my bathroom.
Me have Campari Patron.